It was Biddy's first day on the job, and I feel her, you know, I totally get her mood right now.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking stars will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons.
Jack, please, I'm only an elected official here. I can't make decisions by myself.
Hey guys, it's Blaize. Welcome to another Vlogoween, Blazoween video that we got going on right now. For this video I'm so excited. I've had these here for like 2 weeks and I haven't touched them. Ooh, we are doing a mystery toy unboxing kind of thing, but we're keeping it related to spooky. As you can see in the title, you guys know what this is already. Here are all my social medias. Please go ahead and follow me on all my social medias. And don't forget to go down below, hit the subscribe button for free monthly giveaways. This month I'm giving away a Halloween inspired eyeshadow palette that's really beautiful. So thumbs up for Blazoween, for Vlogoween. But this video we are going to be unboxing 5 different little things that, what is this? This is a Nightmare Before Christmas super squishy mystery toy thingamabob that I found at Walgreens, and they were $2.99 a piece. I picked up 5 of them. So it says, or shows you that you can get Zero, Sally, a mystery person, Jack, Mayor, and Oogie. So this is what they look like. You guys know Mayor is my favorite, and I love Oogie. I love them all, but if I don't get, I swear to God, if I get all one of them, I'm gonna be pissed, because let's face it, I'm gonna get a repeat. But let's hope it's a Mayor, because Mayor, I can have a billion Mayors. If I get one Mayor, I will be very happy. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the first one. So I don't really know what this is gonna be. I guess it's a squishy. It feels kind of bouncy in there. So how do you, okay, we open it. And our first one we got is Mr. Oogie Boogie Man. Ooh, what is this? It's kind of, it's like a little, yeah, it's like a squishy, but it's sticky. That smells like house paint. But Oogie, he's one of my favorites. I love Oogie. Look at how cute he is. He's just a sticky, squishy little Oogie. I like that, but I don't like how sticky they are. That's weird. But I'm sure I can just put some water on it and it won't be sticky anymore. But this is what you get. It's a little squishy little figurine that I'm definitely putting on display. So we got ourselves one Oogie. Let's go ahead and open number 2. Please be somebody different. And it's Jack! Jack's back! Yay! At least, you know, we got at least 2 different ones. He's sticky as hell too. What the hell? Wah, wah, wah. Squishy. So here is little Jack. Isn't he just adorable? Oh, I love him. I actually love that. This is like really super cute. I love these things. I'm just gonna put them under some water so they're not sticky. I don't know why they're sticky. That's weird to me. Please be somebody different, and please be Mayor, one of you guys. We've got 3 left. So number 3 is Jack again. Well, you know, I can always mail him to a friend. That's what I think I'll do. I think I will mail one of these to my friend who loves Nightmare Before Christmas as well. So we got 2 Jackson and Oogie so far. Please, one of you be Mayor. Number 4. And it's another Jack. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew this was gonna happen. If the last one's an Oogie, I swear to God, I'm gonna flip. This was supposed to be an exciting video. Come on, Mayor, or literally anybody else, please. Okay, it's Sally. You know, okay. So at least she's different. Oh, look at her. Ooh, she looks so pretty. Look at pretty Sally. She is a pretty, pretty rag doll. Love her. That's a really pretty Sally, actually. So we got 1 Oogie, 3 Jacks, and 1 Sally. I need to pick up more until I find Mayor. Well, that was an extremely fast video. I didn't expect it to be that fast, but it was. I'm sorry if this was a little boring, but I couldn't have possibly have known I was gonna get 3 Jacks and an Oogie and a Sally. These are so sticky. Ugh. But they're also very stress relieving. I need to relieve a lot of stress. Look at, they're so sticky, they're all stuck to each other. Ooh, this is one giant squishy. Yes. Thank you guys for hanging out with me for as little time as this was. I hope this was somewhat enjoyable, and if it was, please make sure to give me a big old thumbs up. And if you're excited for more Blaizeoween, Vlogoween videos, also give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments. Who's your favorite Nightmare Before Christmas character? Mine is Mayor, obviously. Let me know your favorite character down below in the comments. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful Vlogoween so far. What have you guys been doing? Let me know. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will talk to you all very, very soon. And until next time, my beautiful ones, stay wicked. You know what? Get over here.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so it's been like a day and a half since I filmed this first portion of the video. As you can tell, I look completely different. And if you're interested in this eye look, that video will be coming out very shortly. But as you saw, I was not happy. So I convinced Mama Blaize. I was like, can we go to Walgreens for more? I did have to go to pick up a few more things, but it really was like last minute, like, okay. So I did pick up 3 more. I would have picked up more if I had more money, but if I get another Jack, I swear to the goddess, I will be happy if I at least get 1 Mayor. That's all I want, is a Mayor so freaking bad. And I want 0 too. I'm not looking. Who is it? It feels like Jack. Is it Jack? No, it's Sally. I have Sally. I guess I can give Sally to my mother because she has one of the Jacks, and then we put one of the Jacks downstairs, and I have one in my room. So another freaking Sally. So waste of $3. I'm so scared. All right. Another Oogie Boogie. I swear, just give me 1 Mayor. I'll even be happy if it's just 1 0. Just please, 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 come on. You have no idea how hard I've worked on this video. Oh my god, I've worked so hard on this video, and I've gone through hell and spent more money than I wanted to. Please, please, please. Oh my god, I got Dr. Finkelstein. I got one of the mystery ones. Okay, now I'm happy. Even though I don't hate his character, but I do not like, he's not one of my favorites. But I am so happy that we got the mystery one, and it's different. So I'm happy. I'm still gonna go and purchase more until I get a Mayor. But I'm happy. So there he is in his little wheelchair. So cute, right? Ready to be poisoned by Sally. So, frog's breath. True story. I have a relative who used to date the niece of the guy who did Dr. Finkelstein's voice. How cool is that? I think that's cool personally. Okay, so this video kind of has a happy ending. I didn't get a Mayor. I'm not happy, but I got a mystery one, which is really, really cool. I've never gotten like a not shown one, so that's really, really cool. And the stickiness does go away, I will tell you. It's only for like a little while, and they are very squishy, and I like them a lot. And again, I'm gonna pick up more until I find Mayor, and I'll put them in a vlog. I won't do a whole nother video on that. I'll just vlog that. But now it's time for my outro. Thank you guys so, so, so much for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up just for my effort and my work into this video. If you're ready for more Blaizeoween, give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments. And who's your favorite Nightmare Before Christmas character? Let me know down in the comments as well. Or if you don't like Nightmare Before Christmas, I don't know why you're watching this video. Maybe you're just here to see me. Hi, hey, hello. And Biddy is, I don't know where she went. She like flew away. I can't find her anywhere. So this is her first time not showing up at the job, but what are you gonna do? She's a bat. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later, and until next time, I love you guys so, so much. Stay wicked.